Well guys, good morning and welcome back sa ating vlog. Well, this is a video about my fleece pillow. I received 2 comments about the background, that the background is so loud. I said, oh my gosh, yes. I tried to turn it down, but I cannot change it. I am not a pro of editing. So that time, guys, I didn't know that the sound is so loud. Well, Miss Anita and Miss Jane and Miss G, this morning I will show you how I made that fleece pillow. Well, this is it. This is the fleece pillow that I made for my kids. This pillow sizes is 19 in the mouth. Make it 21 so that 1 inch here to close and 1 inch on the other side. But this one, the length is 29. Make it 35. It's up to you guys. This is 29. This is the front of my pillow. Look at your pillows. This is the front of my pillow. It's up to you if you're going to put a lining in the mouth side. So, and this one here and the mouth. Look. So all you have to do is to sew your lining. I don't know, you call this lining? Yeah, so your lining, sew it here first, and after that sew in this side so it sticks together. See, it sticks together. And I cut the fleece, it's like it's really not straight, so this is easy for me. I cut it with my scissor. So it's up to you if you cut the side or just let it fold, folded. So this is the front, this is the back. So we are going to attach this. We are going to cut this too. So cut this. Yeah. When you first sew it, it's in the front and this is the back, right? This is the back. And this is the front where you first sew your lining. So all you have to do is to flip it. See? Flip it. And this is it. So this is the front. You see, that is the front. We are going to attach our lining to the front. So guys, this is the front. This is very nice for kids, really. They love this one because it's soft. Just like that. This is the second step, and the third step is here. Fold it and attach it to that. Very easy. Make sure this is flat here. So guys, this is the inside of our pillow. See? And I have two. Because I cut it, of course. Just like that. And this. So you're going to sew this one here and sew this one here on the side. This is not even, see? This is what happened to our pillowcase. So this is very easy, huh? Ta-da! So this is our very soft pillowcase. The kids love it, especially winter time, because it is so warm. Even me, guys, I like this one. This is our pillowcase. Look at this. And our lining is inside to make it stronger, to make our opening stronger. Put a lining. It's up to you. If you want to double your material, it's up to you guys. So this is it. Ta-da! This is a very soft pillow. Look at that. can sleep 12 hours straight, guys, with this pillow because it's so soft. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's take it up. Oh, so soft.